Hello, champs. Welcome to Sankalp Biology. Today, we'll be discussing about the expected cutoff of Neet 2024. We all know that Neet 2024 exam is already over, and now students are very much enthusiastic about the expected cutoff for Neet 2024. Now, there are a range of factors which determines the expected cutoff of NEET. First of all, the number of students that is appearing for the exam. Nearly 22 lakh students appear for NEET every single year. And this year, more than 3 lakh students appeared in comparison to the last year. So 3 lakh more students appeared for the same exam in comparison to the last year. Second factor that determines the selection for NEET 2024 is the difficulty level of the exam. This year's exam is pretty much similar to that of last year. That means there has not been much significant changes in terms of the difficulty level of this year. So let us understand in details about the difficulty level of NEET 2024. If we come to physics, then the physics paper is moderate to difficult type. Like every single year we see that the biology paper becomes easy, physics is easy to moderate, and physics and chemistry is easy to moderate, and physics is moderate to tough. And this year no significant changes. Physics has been a moderate paper. There are some question that has came out of the syllabus, but ये तो होता ही रहता है. हर साल ऐसा होता है कि कुछ question syllabus के बाहर होता है. Like it's normal. There is nothing significant change that is happening this year. If we come to chemistry, then the chemistry paper has been lengthy. The questions are easy to moderate type, but the paper was lengthy. So the student will take more amount of time to solve the same question. But the difficulty level is easy to moderate. And if we come to biology, it is the easiest of all. Nearly 99.9% question is directly from NCERT. Each and every single question is from NCERT. So अगर एक बच्चा NCERT ढंग से पढ़ेगा तो वो तो सारा क्वेश्चन इजी से सॉल्व हो जाएगा. सो देयर हैज नॉट बीन एनी चेंज इन बायोलॉजी. ऑल द क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम एनसीईआरटी, easiest paper of all. So if we compare these three, physics, chemistry and biology, biology is the easiest, chemistry easy to moderate, and physics is moderate to tough. So there has not been any change, significant change or significant shift in comparison to last year. So expect a similar kind of cutoff like last year. Now, if we go to the next slide, then we'll see the cutoff trend of the last 3 years, 2022, 2023, and the expected cutoff of 2024. If for a general category student, in 2022, the cutoff was 611. And let me tell you, this expected cutoff list is for the All India quota. We all know that if a medical college has 100 seats, then 15% of that seat will go for, is reserved for All India quota. And the remaining 85% of seat is for state government quota. State के बच्चों भरेगा 85% सीट में, और बाकी 15% जो होता है वो सारा इंडिया के लिए रिजर्व्ड होता है. Okay, so the 15% of seat is for the All India quota, and this trend that I am seeing here, it is for the All India quota. So in 2022, the expected cutoff for general was 611. 2023, it was 618. If you are an EWS student, economical weaker section, 2022, it was 605. 2023, it was 614. For an OBC, it was 609 in 2022, 616 in 2023. For a ST student, it was 457 in 2022 and 469 in 2023. And for an FC, it was 499 in 2022 and 509 in 2023. Now, if we see the expected cutoff, let me tell you, this year's cutoff will increase, but there will be marginal small increment in the cutoff in comparison to the last year. So for general category student, the 2024 expected cutoff is going to be 610 to 620. So 610 plus minus 10. Don't give minus, give only plus. So it will be 610 to 620 will be the cutoff for general category student. If you are an EWS, then the cutoff will be 608 plus minus 10. So the highest limit will be 618, lowest limit will be 608. For an OBC student, it is going to be 610 plus minus 10, means exactly similar to that of general category student. No significant change or no significant advantage, as you can see here. For a ST student, it is going to be 475 plus minus 10. So 475 to 485 will be the cutoff for ST student, and for SC student it will be 515 plus minus 10. So 515 to 525 will be the cutoff for SC student. So this is in brief the expected cutoff for NEET 2024 for all India quota. কিন্তু আমরা তো ত্রিপুরার, সো আমাদের জানতে হবে ত্রিপুরার এক্সপেক্টেড কাট অফ কী হতে চলেছে। এজিএমসি পেতে গেলে, নিগ্রিমস পেতে গেলে, রিমস পেতে গেলে, what should be the exact amount of number that I should get to get into these medical colleges. So let us see. So in brief, if you want to go into a central institute, if you want to go in any sort of central institute, Banaras Hindu University, Assam Medical College, then Cuttack, or if you want to go into AIIMS, all the central institute, to get into this central institute, the confirmed score, the minimum level of score that you should get to get in any central institute for general is going to be 626, for OBC 616, for SC 526, and for ST is 470. So this is going to be the minimum score that you should get to get into any central institute. Let me remind you again, for any central institute, this is not for the state colleges or for NIGRIMS or RIMS. This is for the central institute like Cuttack, Assam Medical College, or any sort of AIIMS, if you can tell. Now, এবার যদি আমরা ত্রিপুরার কাট অফটা দেখি, then we all know that in Northeast, the MBBS government colleges are AGMC, RIMS, and NIGRIMS. These three are the colleges: AGMC, NIGRIMS, and RIMS. In NIGRIMS, there are total 18 seats. In NIGRIMS, there are total 18 number of seat, and this 18 number of seat is reserved for the entire Northeast student. There is no special category in NIGRIMS, মানে এখানে এসসি এসটি ওবিসি কিছু হয় না, যে বেশি নাম্বার পাবে সেই যাবে, এখানে কোনো রিজার্ভেশন নেই। সো নিগ্রিমসের যে 18টা সিট আছে, সে 18টা সিটে এক্সপেক্ট নো রিজার্ভেশন, দের ইজ নো রিজার্ভেশন। তো যে যত বেশি নাম্বার পাবে সে যাবে, এবং দেখা যায় এভরি সিঙ্গেল ইয়ার এই 18টা সিটের মধ্যে নিয়ারলি ম্যাক্সিমাম অ্যামাউন্ট অফ সিট, লায়ন্স শেয়ার অফ দ্যাট সিট, মোর দেন 60% অফ দি সিট is grabbed by the students of Tripura only. সেই 18টা সিটের মধ্যে ধরে রাখো 10 থেকে 12টা সিট ত্রিপুরা স্টুডেন্টরা পাবে। Then if we come to RIMS, in RIMS there is 13 seats reserved for the students of Tripura. ত্রিপুরা স্টুডেন্টদের জন্য 13টা সিট অলরেডি রিজার্ভড, অ্যান্ড 11টা সিট আছে ইকোনমিক্যালি উইকার সেকশন স্টুডেন্টদের নর্থ ইস্টের মধ্যে, এবং এই 11টা থেকেও 3, 4, 4, 5টা করে ত্রিপুরা স্টুডেন্ট পেয়ে যায়। সো মোটা অঙ্কে যদি আমরা ধরি, দেন এই রিমসের মধ্যে নিয়ারলি 15টা থেকে 16টা সিট ইজ ফর ত্রিপুরা, যার মধ্যে 13টা সিট ইজ রিজার্ভড ফর ত্রিপুরা। অ্যান্ড এই 13টা রিমসের সিটের মধ্যে আমরা দেখি যে জেনারেলের জন্য 7টা রিজার্ভড, এসসির জন্য 2টো, এসটির জন্য 4টে। সো ফর জেনারেল 7 সিট ইজ রিজার্ভড, for SC 2 seats, and for ST 4 seat is reserved. And let me again tell you, এই যে 11টা সিট আছে ইকোনমিক্যালি উইকার সেকশনের জন্য, এই 11টা সিটের মধ্যেও যারা বেশি নাম্বার পাবে, they can compete among all the students of Northeast, and they can go into this 11 seats which is reserved for the economical weaker section student of the entire Northeast. So this is the seat for RIMS. And এবার যদি আমরা AGMC-তে দেখি, AGMC-তে জেনারেলদের জন্য 40টা, এসসিদের 16টা, এসটির 30, EWS 10, and physically handicapped 4টে. So this is the number of seat that is reserved for the students of Tripura in AGMC. General 40, SC 16, ST 30, EWS 10, and physically handicapped 4. So this is in brief the total number of seat that a student of Tripura enjoys or has already for them. It includes NIGRIMS 18, not 18 in brief, because you have to compete among all the Northeast students. And let me tell you, Northeast মানে এখানে আসাম বাদে, আসামকে এক্সক্লুড করে বাকি যতগুলো স্টেট আছে সেই স্টেটকে ধরে নর্থ ইস্ট ধরা হয়। নর্থ ইস্ট মিনস এক্সক্লুডিং আসাম। রিমসে 13টা রিজার্ভ ফর ত্রিপুরা বা আরও 11টা আছে ইকোনমিক্যাল উইকার সেকশন, ওটার মধ্যে ইউ হ্যাভ টু কম্পিট অ্যামাং দ্য রেস্ট অফ দ্য নর্থ ইস্ট স্টুডেন্ট টু গেট ইন টু দিস। এজিএমসির মধ্যে জেনারেল 40, এসসি 16, এসটি 30, ইডাব্লিউএস 10 অ্যান্ড ফিজিক্যালি হ্যান্ডিক্যাপ 4। সো দিস ইজ দ্য টোটাল নাম্বার অফ সিট দ্যাট you have to compete and then you have to enter. Next, the expected cutoff for AGMC. Let me be very clear. This is the expected cutoff for AGMC. For general category students is 545 plus. 545 plus hole, it's a sure short selection for yours in AGMC. If you are getting 545 plus, then you can smile now. It's the time for you to smile. It's the time for celebration, time for victory. If you're SC students, 465. For ST, 355 plus. 355 is for ST, and for economical weaker section, it's 505 plus. So if you're getting this score, you should be smiling right now as your selection is nearly confirmed. And if you're not getting this score, যদি এই স্কোরটা না এসে থাকে, যদি এই কাট অফটা ক্লিয়ার না হয়ে থাকে, যদি 500-এর আশেপাশে নাম্বার থেকে, 500-এর কম নাম্বার থেকে, 400 to 500 নাম্বার থেকে, ইউ শুড নট বি ওরিড অ্যাট অল। ইফ ইউ আর এ সিঙ্গল টাইম রিপিটার, মিনস এবার প্রথমবার তোমরা নিট দিয়েছ, ইউ হ্যাভ অ্যাম্পল অ্যামাউন্ট অফ টাইম। ইফ ইউ বিলিভ ইন ইউর সেলফ, দেন দিস ইজ দ্য ডেস্টিনেশন। লেট মি ভেরি ক্লিয়ার, you have to stay away from noises. You have to stay away from noises and join the most trusted, reputed, result-oriented coaching institute of the state. I promise you 100% guaranteed selection if you cooperate with me, if you study with me, if you revise with me. Then only your selection will be 100% confirmed. And যদি তোমাদের সেই কাট অফটা না এসে থাকে, you should not be worried at all. You have to believe in yourself, believe in your strength. You have to see what your weaknesses are. কি কি প্রবলেম ছিল, ফিজিক্সে প্রবলেম ছিল, কেমিস্ট্রিতে প্রবলেম ছিল, বায়োলজিতে প্রবলেম ছিল, নাকি স্ট্র্যাটেজিতেই প্রবলেম ছিল। পরিশ্রম তো সবাই করে, এত পরিশ্রম করার পর কেন সিলেকশন নিল না? উই হ্যাভ টু স্ট্র্যাটেজাইজ। রিমেম্বার ওয়ান থিং, it's the smart work that matters. A donkey even does a lot of work, but you have to work smart. You have to be smart in your strategy to get into these seats. So, we are launching the Repeater Batch 2024. This Repeater Batch 2024 will be starting from June 1. And if you are thinking to repeat, if you have the Josh, the energy, the junoon that you will be a doctor, you will serve the community, you will be the respected position, you will be in a respected position in the society, you will serve the society with dedication, with sheer perseverance, then let me tell you, I am here to help you. This is the most cost friendly, this is the most cost effective and result oriented, and will remain 100% dedicated to your success. Free test series, we are launching free test series. Biology যে টেস্ট থাকবে, will give part test. একটা চ্যাপ্টার শেষ হলে there will be part test. When 2 chapters will be over, there will be cumulative test. And when the entire syllabus will be over, there will be full syllabus test. So we'll have 3 sort of test, part test, then 2-3 chapter combined cumulative test, and the entire syllabus combined full syllabus test. And we are launching it free for the first time in the entire state. Kono extra cost, kono extra amount of money you don't have to give. It will be entirely free of cost. So we can proudly say we are here for you and will remain there for you till your selection. This is our commitment. So daily DPP will be given, individual attention to each of the students, and there will be motivational session. There will be motivational session from those who have already been in AIMS, who have already cleared NEET, who are already big achievers in the society. So they will come face to face with you, they will interact with you, they will motivate you. So this is going to be the real set of motivational session. And if you want कि एक chance और लेंगे, जिंदगी को एक मौका और देंगे, then this is the site, this is the platform. Join now, in Sankalp Institute, Sankalp Biology. Contact in this number and register yourself for the repeater batch 2024, which will be starting in June 4. With these few words, I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. And remember one thing, Sankalp is there for you. It will be there for you. It will fight for you. And make sure that you succeed. Thank you.